people, let's taste test this. Look at that, that looks nice, look. Doesn't that look nice? I'm going to taste test it and rate it out of 10. Let's go people, let's taste test this. Let's get some of this filling on it. Look at that. Look at that people, it looks nice, doesn't it? Cool. It's got a hint of spice to it, it's cool. A little bit spicy. I rate that 8 out of 10. Please stay tuned for more taste tests and tests. There's more to come. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 500 subs. Let's try and hit 500 subscribers, people, for more taste tests and tests. Thanks for watching.